Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add two accounts in Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I am showing an easy method step by step, so follow my whole process carefully. Look at the left corner, click on more, go to settings, tap on here, add account, select Instagram and just type to username and password and tap on to login. Continue. Okay, now done. That's how we can easily add two accounts in Instagram. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial revert channel for more video.